welcome back with another tutorial, and which is for Dolby Atmos and Dolby Atmos from Razer Phone 2. Now let me show you that file, and here is the Dolby Atmos Razer Phone 2 magisk module. Of course you guys can easily use in your devices, and if you are using Android 12, Android 11 or Android 10, whatever you are using, you guys will be able to install this Razer Phone 2 magisk module, which is Dolby Atmos, of course. So now let's get started. First of all, let me show you how you guys can install the Dolby Atmos. So first of all, remember one thing: your device must be rooted with Magisk Manager. So then open the Magisk Manager and then go to module section. And here is the Magisk module section, and then of course select from storage, and here is the Dolby Razer edition, and it will take some time to be flashed. So it's already done, and you guys can see here the reboot button. Just click on reboot and your device will reboot. So I'm just skipping the video here, so just click on reboot button. So device booted finally. Now let me show you Dolby Atmos installed or not. So here you guys can see the Dolby Atmos is installed in our device. So just open this one, and remember one thing: I'm using here Android 12 latest build, which is Android 12L. So it's working pretty much fine in that ROM, and of course you guys can easily use. This is the user interface. You guys can see here the dynamic, movie and music and custom. You guys can set it according to your choice in custom, and this is the graphic equalizer, and of course you guys can select intelligent equalizer here, which will be balanced, and here is the warm detail and other things, and dialogue enhancer. When you are listening or watching movies, then you guys can enable that dialogue enhancer, and of course here is the bass enhancer. You guys can do that, of course. And here is the dynamic. These all are preset: dynamic, movie and music. These three are presets. So but you guys can change according to choice. You guys can enable bass enhancer, and of course here you guys can change the equalizer, graphic equalizer, no problem with that. Now, and if you want to just turn that off, just you guys can see here the power button, just click on that and it will be turned off. And if you want to turn on, just click on that. So this is it. And if you want to reset your graphic equalizer, just click on the arrow, so you are good to go. And then of course let me show you, let me play music, and this is music from NCS, so listen it. So hope you guys got an idea how is the clarity and how is the bass, which is great. When you listen to music, you will feel some extra sounds and loudness and the smoothness, of course, and which will be suitable for you. And hope you guys understand the video, and if you like my work, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss the further update.